siya, tapos naka-record. Para kasi i-upload din daw po sa YouTube. Kaya upload ko din.
All players na daw po sa gitna. Wait, di ba wala? Sige, joke lang. Yan lang kayo. Guys, lahat daw ng player sa gitna.
PMOE po yung pangalan natin. Tapos ang kabila yung UB. And start na po ang ating ball game. UB versus PMO. First ball, pasok na po. Alin? Okay. May number na lang ang tatawag, di mo mabasa yung pangalan. Jump ball. Anong naan sa jump ball? White ball. Sab na daw agad, sabi ni Kuya Raydon. Number 7. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to Thunder. Number 4 pala yun, sorry. Ay, pass to, nakakagawin kay Mark. Pero nakuha pa rin yung number 28. Number 28, 4 seconds to shoot. Pinasa sa gitna, 2 seconds to shoot. Counted. Counted daw po. Easy 2 points sa gitna. Kuya Mark, pass to Kuya Rain. Kuya Rien. Pass to Doc Bobbies. Kuya Mark, pinasa kay Kevin. Boss A tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Kevin. Kevin tumira ng 2. No good. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7, pass to number 28. Number 28. Number 28. Diretso. Eurostep. Pumasa kay. Tumira ng 2. Number 10. Counted. Ang score po natin ay 4-0. 9 minutes remaining. 0-7, warning for delaying the game. Takadino, pass to Kuya Mark. Pass to Doc Bobbies. Doc Bobbies tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni Kevin. Kuya Kevin, nakuha ni Doc Bobbies. Doc Bobbies, nagana na mawasan, pinasan. Inago ni Kuya Kevin, pinasa kay Mark. Kuya Mark. Kuya Mark. Mark. Kuya Mark, reverse sa ilalim. Reverse. No good. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Number 28. Number 28 pa rin. Binaban tayo ni Kerrian. Number 28. Number 28. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Shoot for 2. No good. Pero natapik. Number 23. 2 seconds to shoot. Number 28. And no count. Shot clock violation po. Ang score po natin ay 4-0. Rio Bear. Pass to Espino. Espino. Layups. Easy. 2 points by Kuya A. Espino. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 23. Pass sa loob. Number 12. Uy, foul! Who's foul rep? Kevin. First personal foul. First team foul. Andito na po. Bacolod All-Star, Bone Dagiwan. Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Sa loob. Pass to number 7. Tumira ng 2. No good. Rebound by Kuya Rien. Kuya Rien. Nawala ang bola. Ngunit nakuha niya pa rin. Pinasa kay Kuya A. Kuya A, pinasa kay Mark. Rio Beros. Pass to Doc Bobbies sa loob. Doc Bobbies. Doc Bobbies with a top shot. Score po natin ay all 4. Number 7. Number 7. Pinasa kanino? Ay number 28. Number 28. Pumasok sa loob. Pinasa. Ay 0-0. No good. Rebound pa rin niya. Sa loob. Pass to number 4. Easy 2 points by number 4. Binato kay Kuya Mark Rioberos pero natabik. Hindi. Tumama sa katawan ni number 28. Mark Rioberos for 3. Connects. Change favor na po. Lamang po ang UB by 1.76. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 0-0. Pass sa loob. Grabe. Pero ano si Aison? Aison? Pass to Takidino pero naagawan. Naagawan by the Thunder. Anong number yon? Number 4. Layup. No good. Rebound by Aison. Pass to Takidino. Takidino pinasa ulit kay Espino. A for 3. No good. Buti andun si Rio Beros. Rio Beros. Tumangka. Pinasa. Aison. Pinasa kay Kuya A. Layup. Easy 2 points. What a play by UB. Number 7 nagdadala ng bola. Pinatalbog. Number 7. 20 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Number 7 pinasa kay Thunder. Thunder for 2. No good. Thunder wala pa rin. Aison. Pass to Takadino. Binato kay Rio Beros. Rio Beros. Kinaliwa. Easy 2 points by Rio Beros. Number 28. Number 28 nagdadala ng bola. Number 28. Number 28 pa rin. Number 28. Essie. Pass to number Thunder. Pass to. Uy, paint. Pero traveling. Saka Dino, pass to Espino. Espino. Sige, ikaw na. Espino layup. Easy 2 po.
Little sound check. Jersey number 07. Dribbling the wall. Pass to his teammate. Jersey number 4. 4. Fakes. No good. Rebound by 23. No good. Pinasa kay Kuya Mark. Kuya Mark. Out of bounds. Change player.
Mandatory substitution na po. Palit lahat. Lahat labas.
Number 06. Dribbling the ball. Number 6. Gusto mag-time. Still number 06. Technical.
Bench technical po. Tapos pakitakin naman po yung mga jersey nyo, please. Lahat kayo takin. Ayan na. Number 16. The Pride of Bacolod. Easy 2. Easy 1 point.
Mommy, look at this, oh.
Ay, gusto pang pumalawa ni Bondang Iwan. Grabe. Ayan na. Ayan na po ang star player. Uy, naagawan! Mabilaw! Mabilaw nagmamadali! Mabilaw kumalawa! Easy 2 points. What a steal. What a 2 points. Number 8. 8. Naagawan ulit si Mabi! Mabi! Layup! Easy 2 points. Back to back steal. Back to back 2 points. Grabe ka. Drug test agad yan mamaya. Mabi, gusto pa ulit? Pangatlo. Taro na agaw. Dino. Ayan na, Doroteo. Pinasa kay Nicolas Sora. Wala, pero andun pa rin. Doroteo. Sino nakagaw? Wala. Kaninong bola rin? White ball.
Dribble double!
Ari ba? Wala. Ano yun? Pass to. Kanino yun? Sino? Si number 18. Pinasa kay number 8. Kobe. Pass to 18. 18. Foul. Who's foul rep? Sino yan? RJ. RJ Boñales. First personal foul. Second team foul. Lagot ka. Lagot ka naman ngayon kay Kuya Raiden. 18, unang tira. So next. 18. 18.
Board. Tamiwan. Lau. Putik. Lau. Goes inside. Reverse. Uno reverse. Nakampra. Pass outside. Guarded by 2. Pass inside. Sinig ka ba ng PM mo? Oh! Inside. KD. No good. Who's foul rep? Bunyales. Second personal foul.
Third personal. Second personal foul, third team foul. First shot is good. Di mabasa eh. Naka-bold na, naka-ano pa, naka-highlight. Kaya Draven. Second shot, no good. Bunyales, naghanap na papasahan. Putik on the go. Putik, Doroteo. Napunta sa bambang. Wait siya. KD, lapit ka muna. Wala yung apelido mo, idol. Ano bilin? Ha? Kawayet? Kaya Draven, so dalawa yung pangalan mo, idol. May slash eh. May slash eh. Grabe, may binubuhay. Kaya pala. Putik naghanap ng papasan. Putik, long pass to Dami. 1 for 3. No good. Rebound by Javier. Supaply. Lacambra. Supaply. Pass inside. Bunyales with the steal. Dami 1. Dami 1 nagdadala ng bola. Dami 1. Umararon. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 19. Cruz. Nagtitilian. Number 6. Pumiran. No good. Short. Grabe. Lau. Pass to Doroteo. Doroteo. Push cross. Nawala ang bola. Long pass. Lau. Spins. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 18. Supaply. Supaply with the ball. Javier. Pumeke. Traveling. Please collect your luggage. Score natin. 9-18 in favor of UB. Dami 1. Almost lost the ball. Dami 1 goes inside. Pass 2. 2 points. Nicolas Sora. Supaply with the ball. Cruz. Pinag-isipan. Tumira ng tres. Wala pa rin. Doroteo nagdadala ng bola. 3v1 situation. Lau! Again! And 1! With a foul. Grabe si Lau. Ito ba yung sinayang ni ano? Sinayang yan. Grabe. Iba na yung ano pre. Most improved player. Meron ba tayo noon, Kom? PMO. Grabe, most improved player. Mabilaw. Parang ano yun, no? Wilt, Mabi, Kobe. Ito na ba yung ano, 83 points ni Mabilaw. Breaking the record. Ilan, first quarter pa lang, ilan ang puntos ni Mabilaw. Check pick tayo, check pick. Yes sir, shout. 6.2 steals. What a great first quarter. 6 points. Grabe oh. Wilt, Bobby, Kobe. Grabe yun. The line up. And we're back into the ball game. Supaply. Parang money, no? Javier. Tumira na tres. It's good! OG is in the house. Dangiwan. Dangiwan. Perimeter. No good. Number 6. Behind the back. Pushing the ball. Looking for his teammates. Javier. Pump fake. Goes inside. Forcing his way in. Pass to Manny. Tumira na dos. Wala pa rin. Dangiwan. Pinasa. Mabilaw. 83 points. Bunyales. Dangiwan. Doon tayo. Easy 2 points. And now the PMO. 30 seconds on the clock. Manny pass to KD. Javier. Javier. Pumapwersa. Number 6. 4-3. No good. Rebound by. 17 seconds na lang ang oras para sa ating first quarter. Mabi. Running time po tayo. Dangiwan. Pass to Nicolas Sora. Pumeke. Inside. Dangiwan. Gets a foul. 2 free throws. Fouled by Manny. First personal foul. Second team foul. Dangiwan. First free throw. Ano, grabe, parang sumasablay. Mahangin. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Bayad kada tira. Second free throw is good. Javier, the number 1 point guard. Pinipressure. Pumapatol sa matanda. 6 points. Oh. 6 points, 1 free throw. Para kay Mabi. 7 points. Ilan na lang. 0 assist. 7 points. 76 points na lang. To beat the record. Para makamit natin ang Will, Mabi, Kobe. Mascot yun eh. Kanina pa yun eh. Technical, di naglalaro. Intermission yan mamaya. Pag halftime. May trangkaso. Okay, game ball po. May trangkaso po yung isang player ng UB. Number 7, Peñero. Back to Peñero. Peñero. Pass to 0-0. Santos, 4-3. Diretso. Wala pa rin. Comes up short. 0-0. 4-2 is good. Easy 2 points. Ang score natin 26-14 in favor of Union Bank. Nakadino, Rio Veros, long pass to Roro Miguelsin. Easy 2 points. Peñero, the OG point guard. Peñero, the OG one. 23, 0-0. What a good pass. But still no good. Peñero, pump fake again. 2 points, no good. Rebound by Peñero. Pumeke. Tumira, wala pa rin. Rebound by Takadino. Takadino with a 5-inch bird. Rio Veros, fakes. Pump fake. Tweet. Espino, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Santos, nagdadala ng bola. Santos, push cross. Stolen by Takadino. Takadino, nahirapan yung muko. Pinasa, Bobis. Bobis. Forcing his way in. Blocked by Santos. Bobis again. No good. Rebound by Santos. Santos looking for his teammate. Finds Ranin. Ranin. Pass to. Shot. No good. Rebound. Outside ball. UB ball. Espino, back to Rioberos, fakes, goes inside, floater, no good. Rebound by Rioberos, Takadino, forcing his way in, shot is good. Grabe, oh. Boss Aten. Grabe na. Peñero. Inside. Bag work. No good. Espino. Lost the ball. Outside. Last touch. Score natin. Ang dami, ah. Rio Veras. Long pass to Bobis. Rio Veras, what a good find there. Inside. Ranin. Why are you running? Easy 2 points. Grabe. Espino finds Aison in the corner. Easy 2 points for Aison. Santos. Santos nagdadala ng bola. Pressed by Takadino. Santos. What a great spin move and the floater but still comes up short. Bobis to Rioberos. 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 4-3. No good. Sabi ko na nga ba, hindi lang ako eh. Malamig talaga ang panahon. Malamig ang panahon. Ranin. Ranin. Trying to make a play here. Finds his Santos on the corner. Cross pass. Peñero. No good. Rebound by Takadino. In transition. Rioberos. Pass 2. But still the pass won't go. Ranin. Ranin. Oh, what a cross. But lost the ball. Ranin. To Santos. Santos tumira ng tres. No good. Ingat-ingat po tayo sa pagtira. Baka mawasak ang board. Aison. Aison. May dala ng bola. Aison. Board. No good. Aison again. 2 points. Easy. For Kevin Aison. Ranin. Ranin. Pinasa. Nawala. Nakuha. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Takadino. To Espino. Oh no. The shot won't go. It's a PMO ball. Substitution mandatory.
Ay, mga daw muna bago ang mandatory substitution. At papasok na uli si Mavi.
I-Gcash ko boss yung ano.
Okay, thank you po.
150.
And let's go back to the ball game. Ano yan? Pasok ang papasok for mandatory substitution. Zero six, pass to 19, Cruz, no good, rebound by KD,
Rebound by number 6. Number 6.
Rebound. 18. Easy 2 points. Score natin 20-36. Isa-isang kalamangan ng Iwan. Lau! Open 3 for Turi! No good. Rebound by Kidi. Kidi! No good. Dang Iwan. Long pass to Doroteo. Doroteo, pinasa, Bunyales. Easy 2 points. Nakita mo yun, Chino? Most improved. Cruz. Nagdadala ng bola. Javier. Pinasa. Reverse. Block by Doroteo. Grabe yun. Can we get a replay? May replay ba yun? Abubakar! Floater papunta sa kalaban. Lau! Libre! Pinasa! Doroteo, pumeke! Easy 2 points. Grabe, Abubakar, crossover, goes inside, lefty is good. Mabilaw, pumabalakpak. Dang Iwan to Doroteo, forcing his way inside, finds Mabilaw in the middle, no good. Number 18 with the ball. Pinasa, intercepted. Still got it. Pass to Abubakar. Fakes. Abubakar, huminto. Pinasa, Mabilaw with another great steal. Mabilaw. Oh my God. Delete that. Clip that. Di kasama yun. Di kasama sa script. Low lights. Cruz. Javier. No jump. Rebound by Dang Iwan. Dang Iwan nagdadala ng bola in transition. Dang Iwan. Pass to Bunyales. Nastilan. Uy! Abubakar with the speed move. With the lay is good. God damn. Dang Iwan. Stolen by Cruz. Abubakar. Long pass. Uy! Di ka bibigyan ng tubig niyan. Sige ka. Javier. Wala pa rin. Mukhang walang 2 months supply ng tubig. No? Wala ka ng stub. Tiga mo. Yung water stub mo, invalid. Makulit ka, ha? Javier forcing his way inside. No good. Bunyales. Dang Iwan, lazy na, busy 2 points. Cruz, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa, Pontanilla. Huwag mong bantayan. Oh! Pontanilla. Nakikipag-agawan ng galon. Abubakar, 4-2, no good. Doroteo with the ball. Doroteo, pinasa, Dang Iwan. Easy 2 points. No timeout. Cruz. Live ball po tayo. Cruz. Looking for his teammates. Finds number 18 in the corner. Oh, with a spin move. Floater. No good. Rebound by Dang Iwan. 2v1. Mabilaw! 74 points na lang po ang kailangan ni Mabi. Making history. Oh! Harlem? Globetrotters? Score natin, 24-46. Timeout, UB.
Ano ba sabi niyo? Ganyan tayo mo. Easy.
Pero Ben, shoot ka daw.
Back into the ball game, Abu Bakar. Pumeke, mabilang, tumalon na parang birdie. Grabe yung talon na parang 40-inch bird. Jordan Doroteo with the ball. Dangiwan, open three is good. Number 18 nagdadala ng bola, pinasa. Cruz for 2. Bunyales with the rebound. Dangiwan in transition. Dangiwan, libreng-libre, easy 2 points. Abu Bakar, the magician. Abu Bakar behind the back again. It's over. That is it for our second quarter, our first half. Sorry.
Saan tayo, teams?
And for our halftime intermission, music. Hello. And we are back into the ball game. Third game po natin. Last game. Maghanda na po kayo. Masyadong mainit ang laban. Boston versus Celtics. Nang iwan. Left wide open. 3 is good. Inayos ang net. Magulo eh. Number 28. La Cabra. Javier. 4-3. Bumawi. 0-0. 4-2 is good. And there goes the answer for that 3. Rio Beros. Look at that man. The myth, the legend. Espino in the middle. Dakiwan. To Takadino. Rio Beros to Aisan. What a ball movement for this team. Running. Too much running. Please maintain 2 steps only. Takadino, long pass to Dami one. Cross pass, Rio Beros, left wide open, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Manny. Number 18, pass to Kots. Javier, inside, Lumayap is good. Easy 2 points for Javier. Bad work. Rio Beros making a play. Takadino, cross pass to Espino, left wide open, 3, no good. Aisan with the rebound. Takadino with the ball. Takadino, cross pass. Dangiwan goes inside, stop and shot. Easy 2 points. Grabe ang laban. Kots Manny. Kots. La Cambra inside lane. No. La Cambra with the rebound. La Cambra looking for his teammate. Finds running in the corner, running inside. Floater is good. Grabe yun. Rio Beros with the ball. Finds Dangiwan in the corner. Dangiwan goes inside. Out the pass. Espino with a 3 points. Yes, sir. Mainit ang laban. Coach Manny looking far away. Running. Javier looking for his teammate. Trying to set up a play. Javier for 3. Answers the 3. Rio Beros. Espino goes inside, cross pass, Takadino to Dangiwan to Rio Beros, left wide open, 3 is good! No one's missing, everybody's hot. How about Coach Manny? What will you do? Coach Manny, tween, pass to La Cambra for 2, answers the 3. Takadino to Rio Beros trying to set up a play, finds Dangiwan in the corner, back to Rio Beros, pass to Espino for 3 points. Everybody is hot. Come on, Coach Manny, give it your best. Running 2-step inside, finds Javier in the corner, Javier for 3, no good, rebound by Aisan looking for his teammate, finds Dangiwan, intercepted by Running in transition, crossover, running, wala ba rin, Coach Manny for 2. Coach Manny, what a play. Time remaining, 6 minutes, Rio Beros, pass to Espino, again, no good, rebound by 18. Spin move, number 18 in transition. What a pass! Coach Manny with the behind the back, no look pass. Coach Manny with this unbelievable basketball. Rio Beros goes into the screen. Behind the back pass to Dangiwan. Dangiwan finds Kerner in Takadino. 4-3, no good. Rebound by Lacambra. Lacambra with the fake pass. Lacambra in transition. 2v3. Lacambra. Two-step. Pass to Ranin. Back to Lacambra. Finds Javier in the middle. Easy 2 points. Rio Veros trying to set the pace. Rio Veros looking for his teammates. Finds Dangiwan into the corner. Aison in the middle. Aison tries to put it up, but still no good. Rebound by number 18. And it's a foul by... Who's foul rep? 33. Double timeout. Mainit ang laban. Pakagat. Sino ang laban natin susunod? Boston versus yun na nga. Anong team? Narita Snacks. Yes, sir. And we are back into the ball game. This game Ranin finds number 18 inside and gets a foul. Bobis. That's a free throw. What's the score? 43-65 in favor of the Union Bank.
Palit na ako, may extra pang ganyan.
Number 18. Rio Veros. Yes, sir. Rio Veros. Trying to set up a play. Finds Espino in the corner. Back to Rio Veros. Pass to Dangiwan. Dangiwan for 3. Shoots. No good. Comes up short. Number 18 in transition. 3v1. Number 18 running. 4-2. Long pass to Rio Veros. The transition is not over. And lost the ball. Ranin trying to set up a play. Ranin, stop and shot. Kotsmani for 3, no good. Rio Veros, long pass to Dangiwan. Dangiwan, easy 2 points. Kotsmani, what can he do in this situation? Kotsmani lost the ball. Dangiwan left wide open. It's gonna be an easy 2 points for Dangiwan. Kotsmani looking for his teammates, finds Ranin. Ranin goes inside, pass to number 18. Pass to Kotsmani, Kotsmani for 2, no good. Bobis with the rebound, pass to Riveros, long pass to Dangiwan. Dangiwan still got it, easy 2 points.
Diyan muna kayo.
Kotsmani, the welterweight champion. Pass to Javier for 3 is good. Javier is hot. Riveros, pass to Dangiwan. Back to Riveros. Pass to Doroteo. Almost lost the ball. Back to Riveros. Riveros trying to go for the reset. Riveros forcing his way inside. Lefty, easy 2 points. Lacambra. Oh, what a behind the back. Lacambra. Pass to Cots. Cots left wide open. Finds Javier in the middle. Tries to go for the floater. Still no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, 7 seconds, 5 seconds to shoot. Running. Finds the number 18, but still the shot is no good. Tries to go for the third one, but still it's a no-go. Doroteo. Pass to Dangiwan. Floater. Board. The back is open. Coach Manny. Coach Manny, what's he gonna do? Coach Manny. Long pass to Javier. Left wide open again. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Finds Javier in the middle. But the floater comes up short. Trying to go. And the foul by Doroteo. Number 4. First personal foul. Fourth D foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Santos in. Running out.
Ang dami.
Javier. No good.
12.
Second free throw, no good. Rebound by Doroteo. Doroteo, pass to Bobbies. Bobbies. Number 18 with the ball in transition. Too strong. Espino with a rebound. Finds Dangiwan. Back to Espino. To Riveros. Back to Espino again in the middle for 3. No good. Rebound by Doroteo. And the shot is not good. Santos. Crossover. Santos finds Lacambra in the corner. Blocked by Espino. Lacambra with an offensive rebound. Lacambra uses the board. Easy 2 points. Long pass to Doroteo. No goal! Lacambra. And it's a foul again by Doroteo. With a second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na po. Warning pa lang po, warning.
Nagpikil ka na lang.
Stolen. Dangiwan in transition. Dangiwan. Euro step. What a beautiful move. Santos. Javier. Left wide open. No jump. Easy. 3 points for Javier. Bobbies finds Espino. Bobbies to Doroteo. Back to Espino in the wing. Answers the 3.
Sorry naman.
Santos to Javier. Javier to Lacambra, pumeke, tinira, wala pa rin. Riveros, low pass to Dangiwan. Open na naman. Oh! Showtime! Time! Wala na palang oras.
Hindi na kaya akyat? Hindi na? Okay, sige.
Alam mo ba nahanap niya ito? Wala ba? Pinanalig ako kanilaw. Wala. Yung basa ko yung mga pinamalingo ko. Kulay. Ito ba? Saka bigas.
Ito na. Anong quarter na? Last quarter na po. Fourth quarter. Matindi ang laban para sa ating third game.
Bago ba yan? Baka tayo iba yung late. Tatanga pa. Uy, ano ba yan? Ayusin mo.
Santos. Santos. Abacabra. Number 18 for 3. No good. Running with an offensive rebound. Tries to go for the second shot but will not go. Santos. Abacabra. Uses the board. Is good. Mabilao. Will. Mabi. Kobe. Doroteo. Bobis. Cross pass. Tumabi. Pumeke. Tumira. No good. Bobis. Using the board. Easy 2 points. And it's UB ball. Nasaan na po ang Narita Snacks? Wala pa? Bunyales, Pumeke. Doroteo. Stolen by Javier. Santos, Pinasa. Stolen by Bunyales. Mabilaw with the ball. Mabilaw. Mabi. Pass to Bobis. To Mabi. Floater is good. Ilan na lang? Ilan puntos na lang? 7 to 2 points na lang. We're gonna make history. Running. Abacabra. Pass to Santos. Binali. Wala pa rin. Bobis. Nicolas Sora to Bobis again. Bobis. Pass to Doroteo. Doroteo. Bunyales. Walang malay. Nasa kanya na pala ang bola. Tinira. Nagulat si Bunyales eh. Javier. Tumira ng 3. Is good! Somebody put out that bar. Kanina pa, sunod-sunod. Mabilaw. Mabilaw. Uy, huminto. Mabilaw. Goes into the screen. Mabilaw! Mabilaw. May chance may galaw eh. Galaw-gaw. Javier. 4-3. No good. Nicolas Sora. Pwede maging pro? Problem. Mapilaw. Trying to redeem his pride. Nicolas Sora to Bobis inside using the board. And Doroteo with the tip. Running. Running. Oh, matigas yan. Gawa sa buhos yan. Abacabra. No good. Hindi ka tatagos dyan, sir. Doroteo. Tumabila. Floater. Iniwan sa ere. Bahala na, Doroteo. With a putback. Running. Running. Foul. Who's foul? Honest? Mabilaw, pangilan. Time out. UB.
Tapos yung isa daw. Bakit? Hindi naman, kanina ka pa dukot ng dukot. Ang hirap lang kainin. Yung mababali na yung pinag-
We are back into the ball game.
Pala dyan sa
6 minutes and 37 seconds na lamang ang titira para sa ating fourth quarter. Pass to number 18. Nag-uusap Takadino. Rioberos. Dangiwan. Takadino to Aison. What a ball movement. Javier na naman. Libre-libre. Tiniran. No good. Espino finds Dangiwan. Dangiwan left wide. Open. The shot will not go. 18. Javier. Pumeke. Cruz for 2. Easy to boy.
Sa wakas.
Rioberos. Spino. Back to Rioberos. Takadino to Dangiwan. Dangiwan. No good. Cruz. Nagdadala ng bola. Cruz. Abubakar. Tinuturuan pa. Abubakar for 3. No good. Uy, Cruz. Grabe yan.
Galing na. Lumilipad.
Javier.
3
For
points.
3. No good. Hindi araw-araw Pasko. Aison. To Dangiwan. Easy 2 points. Ranin. Inside. Finds number 18. What a great pass. And a great pass.
Hanggang yun na lang.
Rioberos.
Kailangan magbilagro.
Rioberos finds Dangiwan. Dangiwan fakes, goes inside, reverse is good. Ranin, long pass, Abubakar to Cruz. Cruz almost lost the ball. Abubakar, libre-libre, tinira, no good. Espino, last 4 minutes, no good. Mag-ready na po ang next game. Grabe oh. Javier. 4-3. No good. Dangiwan. Pass to Espino. Outside. Grabe yung Boston Celtics dun oh. Pre, nandiyan na sila. Ano, nag-aabang ako yan, di pa kami papalag. 4 minutes na lang. Boston Celtics versus Narita Stacks. Limoran! No good! Tek, umayaw na? Sakto lang 5. Sakto 5. Technical UB? Ano ba? Rioberos. Espino. Finds Doroteo inside. Easy to board. Coach Manny. The welterweight champion, Limoran, stolen by Espino. Dangiwan to Takadino, behind the back pass to Dangiwan. Pwede na mag-boxing. Huwag mong sapakin. Pagod. Javier for 3. No good. Espino to Doroteo. Behind the back pass. Santos with the ball in transition. 3v2. Coach Manny. Back to Santos. Easy lay. Riveros, Dangiwan, Espino, to Takadino, back to Espino, open three is good. Potsmani, the welterweight champion, lost the ball. Takadino, easy 2 points. Uy, tinapik pa ang bakal. Baka bumagsak yan, boss, ha? Huwag mo sampakin. Santos, 4-3. No good. Santos with an offensive rebound. Limoran with an easy 2 points. Time out. UB.
Hey, dude! Patag-timot ka ba?
Kasi nyo na. Sinusulit eh. Pinapasok lahat ng player. Yung Soria, hindi pa pumapasok yan. Hindi ko pa nakikita sa loob yan. Back to the ball game po tayo. Rio Veros. Espino, back to Rio Veros, pass to Mabilao. Back to Rio Veros, to Bobbies, to Espino, open wide, 3-point. Limoran to Coxmani with the floater, no good. Rebound by Rio Veros. Rio Veros. Pass to Espino, left wide open again. Is good. Cruz with the ball, with a pump pick. Santos for 3. No good. Espino. Pass to Mabi. Mabilao. Is good. Easy 2 points. Ilang points na lang ang kailangan? 70 points na lang. 69 points na lang ang kailangan ni Maui. Cruz for 3. Rebound by Espino. Espino. Low pass to Mabi. Mabi. Stat padding at its finest. Cruz. Fontanilla, what a fake! Ay, mabiling. Uy! Di ko taga dito eh. Rio Veros. 2. Bobbies. Santos, long pass to Cruz. Cruz. Oh! Dalawa pa sumabay, Mabilao. Rebound. Same ball. That is it. Pansit.
Warm up kami. Doon tayo.
Panalo UB. Narita Snacks.